person in history that I would want to take out to dinner.
I'm just going to shoot from the hip with this one. Um, maybe George Washington.
Maybe my father, because I never got to have dinner with him.
She probably take him for sushi.
I would probably take him to a Brazilian steakhouse.
Her favorite way of spending the weekend is looking for ways to make more money. She probably doing one of her little side gigs or something like that.
Relaxing, probably mostly in bed.
She may be like every day of the week, but I'm gonna say her least favorite is probably going to be Mondays because she's coming off the weekend.
Monday is my least favorite day of the week because it's after the relaxing weekend and I have to get back in the groove of things.
What's the movie with Queen Latifah? Set It Off. She probably watched Set It Off multiple times.
Cinderella, and it's because it was the only thing that made my daughter happy when she was a little girl.
She probably a R&B girl. I'm gonna go with R&B. So she's probably like Jodeci.
I feel like I know all the words to songs when they're playing, not on my own. Favorite song would probably be a Tupac song.